how to make teaching and reading fun again, even for the most reluctant learners or readers, all of that and more. Let's get into this. So I have my teaching bag here, and I'm going to show you some of my go-to tools as a parent and as a teacher. My first tool is this microphone. So oftentimes when children are withdrawn, you want to quickly get their attention. This microphone has been handy for younger kids and older kids. And if you find that a student or your child is reluctant, have them use it. You can do literacy games with this. You can do Bible games with this. You can just be silly and build rapport with them, especially if they're being reluctant. This is definitely a way to draw them and encourage them into the learning environment. The second tool I want to share is a Bluetooth speaker. For me, I try when I don't have to use a screen to demonstrate something, I try to use a Bluetooth because, especially when children are being reluctant, sometimes hearing music or the read aloud or presenting the information in a different way can quickly draw them in. One thing that I've done with one of my students who was reluctant is I let them choose the music or the song or our praise and worship song of the day. And you can do the same thing in a school environment as well. Another tool that I always love to do is I love to always bring puppets and props. This is a way to quickly grab children's attention. Another tool that you can use is mystery bags. Mystery bags are great. I have a tutoring group that I teach once a week, and I hide the history cards in here. And I say, what history card does Mr. Astronaut have today? And even the children who may be drawn back quickly engage because they want to quickly see what is inside the bag. Another tool that I bring no matter where I go, whether I'm at home, homeschooling, or teaching in other places, I always love to bring books, books that inspire, books that include movement. So, for example, The Little Bird Who Wanted to Fly, this book includes movement. Sometimes children need to just get their energy out. This book, Hello Little Dreamer, is a book that encourages children. Sometimes kids just need to be encouraged. And so I just love, love, love this book. And all the tools will be linked below. Another go-to tool that I love to use is things like Play-Doh and paint. These are always a win, especially with young children. And I would even say older kids too. Pulling out something that they can explore, something that they can express themselves in a different way. And if you've been liking this content so far, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And then I also, in this bag, I can also put my laptop in here. It's designed for that. And this is just a fun way where I can quickly, again, maybe throw on a quick video or a quick visual or something that can quickly grab their attention. But I don't rely, so for the laptop, I bring this to church to connect it to a bigger screen. And then this bag itself is super handy, very durable, has lots of pockets, water bottle holders, places to charge your phone. I highly recommend this bag, especially if you teach in multiple places like I do. But let me know in the comments below which tool, which tip was most helpful. If you're new here, my name is Brianna. I'm an author and founder of the Brown Bread Book Club. I love providing you with resources, so join the club for free. I send additional tips and tools in a newsletter. But anyway, let's go ahead and talk about more in the comments. Which tool was helpful? What would you add to your bag to draw some of your most reluctant learners? Let's talk about it below.